Here we are at Snowmageddon, and I'm just going to go get my mail because it is everyone's civic, that's a lot of crap, that's a lot of snow. It's everyone's civic responsibility to get their mail, and so I'm gonna go get my mail. So, here we go. So, going over there, somewhere over there is the mail. So we're walking through the snow. This is minute one. All right, I'm going on, just about minute two. This is about 2 minutes without food, and I'm getting a little lightheaded. I think I see the mailbox. It's out there somewhere, and but I'm gonna keep going. And my lips are getting a little chapped, and that's gonna be a huge disappointment for anyone who's planning on making out with me in the near future. And I apologize for that, but it's, I gotta get the mail. We're gonna keep going. Get to the mailbox, and there it is, that's our mail. But I've realized two things now: that I forgot my keys, and that it's Sunday, so there is no mail. So that's unfortunate. So I'm gonna need to make it all the way back over there. On my journey, I found this tree, which looks like about the only sign of life that I have seen. I'm pretty sure at this juncture everyone is dead, and that I am the last surviving human. Okay, I think I'm gonna camp for the night right here, because the house is about another 30 feet, and that's about all I can do. And so we're gonna camp for the night. Okay, I forgot that I hate camping, and so I'm gonna keep going on to our house. And I have a runny nose, and it's really unpleasant, both personally and for everyone else. And so I really apologize. And I'm gonna wipe it right now. All right. Oh, I think I'm gonna make it. Okay, no, it's still too far. I think this is about it. I think I can't even see it. It would probably help if I stopped walking backwards, but then I couldn't get the camera around. You couldn't see my house. It wouldn't work. I'm pretty sure, although I see my home, it's probably not worth going inside because I'm probably the last surviving human. Wait a minute. I think I see some Wi-Fi. There may be hope after all. Here we go.